Rajasthan District Court exam exercise 10 at the speed of 100 words per minute. Be ready? Start. Amidst weak recovery and heightened global liquidity, it is welcome that monetization of infrastructural assets is gaining speed here. Notice that the National Highways Authority of India (NHAI) is reportedly seeking to monetize 7,500 km of road projects for a staggering rupees 3 lakh crore by 2024-25, but it would be downright suboptimal to earmark the proceeds solely for building more road projects nationwide, especially if supervisor social and economic benefits are to be obtained by gainfully investing in, say, a rail track, an education scheme, or a health project so as to augment infrastructure across the board. Stop para. Hence, the pressing need for an innovative platform for independent appraisal, multi stage review, and time bound approval of projects in the pipeline, akin to the gateway review process in the UK. We do need to involve multiple stakeholders in project vetting with the express purpose of eschewing conflict of interest of the entities involved in project preparation, appraisal, and approval. The Public Private Partnership Appraisal Committee at the Finance Ministry surely needs a more broad based review mechanism. A robust policy framework is called for with the requisite institutional capacity. Stop para. Reportedly, asset monetization at NHAI would include greenfield expressways and access controlled highways. About 18% of the 111 lakh crore infrastructure investment pipeline is expected to be in the roads sector, primarily to augment road length and safety features. What's clearly required is adoption of international quality standards for Indian roads, including such vital parameters as surface roughness index and large scale use of automated road condition monitoring system. Meanwhile, toll collection at NHAI have grown at only a modest pace and with reported debts of over rupees 2.5 lakh crore, it is now excessively leveraged enough for the Prime Minister's office to express concern. Monetizing its real estate development rights would make perfect sense. Instead of excessive debt, take the road less travelled NHAI stop para. A parliamentary standing committee wanting to make the trade receivables discounting system bracket TREDS an online factoring platform mandatory for all the arms of the central and state governments makes eminent sense. This is a necessary but insufficient condition to infuse life into the MSME sector hit hard by demonetization, the subsequent slowdown, and then the pandemic. Already, all companies with a turnover of 500 crore have to mandatorily register on TREDS. Adding to this lot, the railways and defence, with huge outstanding payments to MSMEs, will help ease the latter's working capital shortage. Stop para. Failure to come on the TREDS platform, which puts an end to the monopoly power of large buyers vis-a-vis small vendors, must be declared an offence. The process involves small suppliers raising invoices on large buyers with participating banks and non banking financial companies, carrying out factoring, that is, taking over the bill collection and paying small suppliers their dues upfront minus a discount pegged to the creditworthiness of the large buyer to whom the finance provider turns creditor. Realizing the full potential of TREDS will reduce working capital costs and boost liquidity. Failure to come on the TREDS platform, which puts an end to the monopoly power of large buyers vis-a-vis small vendors, must be declared an offense. This will ensure compliance. The total value of dues settled over the platform is estimated at over 30,000 crore. The process involves small suppliers raising invoices on large buyers, with participating banks and non banking financial companies carrying out factoring, that is, taking over the bill collection and paying small suppliers their dues upfront minus a discount pegged to the creditworthiness of the large buyer to whom the finance provider turns creditor. Realizing the full potential of TREDS will reduce working capital costs and boost liquidity. Stop.